Apple Lightning to Jack, Jack ASS to Lightning connector, because this phone doesn't have a 3.5 millimeter port. And I really hope iPhone, Apple, whatever, they don't remove all the ports, because they might as well just remove themselves. Okay, so this is a Christian Dior? No, this is a Christian Louboutin, however you want to say it. It's got the Asian style heel and toe shields. We're going to be doing a restoration tutorial. That is right, this is a men's pair. The upper is some kind of purple suede, and it's got a lot of expensive real diamonds, right? All the Swarovski kind of crystals slash fakey. Why does my customer want me to do a restoration? He wants me to actually restore the suede. The original color actually looks a lot brighter or darker, I don't know. Read this: suede, dye, and dressing. It is a winestone color. I'm gonna be using this. Let's open this up. They're really worried that you guys don't read instructions. So right here it says shake well. Now I'm gonna take this out, open the bottom, because I don't know why. I did contact Angelus, and they said, like, you know, based on the photo that you provided and all the dye that we have available, this is the recommended color to kind of bring this as close as possible to the original. It's not gonna be 100%. I told my customer already, nothing's 100%. You might as well buy a new pair. It does come with this ear cap on before you shake. Shaky. Put this aside. We're not gonna use that right now. I got the 3 Rejuvenator brushes, soft, medium, and stiffy, and a bowl of clean, fresh tap water, and of course a drink. Rejuvenator cleaning solution. Put that aside, and oh yeah, of course, extra dry, clean microfiber cloths from Kirkland. His bag. Finally, it's not an Asian bag, it's Winners. That is acceptable. Yeah, I'm gonna use the wet method cleaning just because, you know, we're gonna have to dye the entire shoe anyways in this case. So let's just remove this and then take off the laces. What a dum-dum. Customer, Mr. Customer, I did not do that, all right? It's already like this, the original, the stains. Now, pull the tongue up. Let's have a 360 quick inspection. This is the right side. It's quite faded here. What else is there? Is there any damages? Yeah, check this out. The diamonds already fallen off, right? Diamonds are not forever. The toe, got both of the laces off. This is the other side. Yes, the tongue on the tip, it's kind of faded. And here's a little quick 360. If you guys must know how it looks like. Is there any damages on this one? I really hope not. Okay, there it is. Boop. Drip. Drippity drip. Stir, twirl it around, shake off a lot. Okay. And then after it's dry, make sure dry brush the nap, bring that softness back. And then once that's good and you are really ready to go, we're gonna show you in the next step how to put the dye on. Are we cut? Oh my God, thank God. I don't want to do this tutorial. No. My customer watches this tutorial, he's gonna be like, hey, this guy knows exactly what he's doing. I don't. I think we're good to go. This is the finished product. Pat this dry. Is it transferring on? Oh, come on. No. Rihanna, diamonds are forever. All right, start cleaning the midsoles. Ooh, I'm gonna hold the shoe like this. I'm gonna stand up so you don't see my face. Keep cleaning. All right, let's just. Shoe has diamonds in it. Oh, you know what? Just here it is. That's why you always work on top of a microfiber cloth. Oh, new day. I'll let this Christian Louboutin to dry. So what we're gonna do is use the medium brush. Let's just put the right side over here because I don't care about it. And just start bringing the nap back. You're kind of like playing a violin. You can tell by actually touching the nap when you're nervous. Drink some Vita Soy. I'm gonna go ahead and use one of my dirty Angelus brushes. And remember, this is liquidy stuff and it is permanent dye, so do not work on the surface where you really care about. I should wear gloves, I should wear a mask. Close this box. Don't do what I just did by destroying this box. It's a window. That's what it's for. Just put it on there, right? Just put it on there. See that? See that up close? Ah, what's good, YouTube? We're back, a different day. I basically let this side completely dry, and yes, I actually used the medium brush to bring the nap back so that it's soft. Just like my hair, I had time to actually shave, but no time to cut my hair. This is one coat of dye, as you can see, versus the other side, which hasn't been even touched. Now, let me go ahead and test this on my beard. Gonna let it air dry completely before I brush the nap again with the medium bristle brush. I actually noticed one thing. Christian Louboutin does like to have butt cracks. What is good? It's a totally different day. You can tell because I got a new haircut and I actually had time to finish dyeing this at the same time. Actually, I got skills. Don't matter if this is crooked. That's not the point. It's about the shoes. This is actually almost done. I just need to do one more coat and then brush the nap to make it sexy soft. This is technically done. They look very close. They could totally pass for Prince's shoes. He likes purple. I like purple. This is a little too purpley for me, but I'm very sure that my customer will be extremely happy with the results. If you guys saw earlier in this video, it looked faded as heck, but this is very close to how it's supposed to look like, I hope. But yeah, this is blinging. I'm gonna try to do more cool videos for you guys. Hit that thumbs up, like this video, comment down below, even though I know none of y'all will. And make sure you follow me because I'm the kind of person that's gonna do my best to do different kind of content. My delivery is a little bit different, as you can see. Now, if you excuse me, I'm going to check the mirror because I need to make sure that my haircut is even. Let's just put these Christian Louboutin in front of you because I know that's all you guys care about. All right, now just, I don't know. I think the back is not cut yet. Huh.